Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make a transfer on the Binance app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Binance app. So I'm going to open the Binance app here. As you can see now, simply what we have to do, as you can see, has the more option. So we have to click on this more option. And after clicking on this more option, as you can see, you will be able to get this a lot of options here. Now you have to choose what you want. For example, I want to click on this transfer option. So let's click on the transfer option. Now you have to choose that from where you want to transfer. If you want to transfer from funding to sport, you can also do that. Or if you want to transfer from sport to funding, you have to click on this icon and it will be reversed like this. So as you can see now in this way. And after that, you have to choose the currency here, USDT, coin, whatever. For example, I'm going to select this USDT. And now we have to choose the amount here. For example, currently I have this amount. So I have clicked on the max, and now we have to click on the confirm transfer. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, the transfer is successful. So in this way, you can transfer any kind of amount from funding to sport or sport to funding. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can make a transfer on the Binance app. So see you in the next video.